What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of On Again with Andre. And today I am going to show you how to embroider a polo shirt from home with the PE 800. All right, y'all stay tuned. Let's go. We need to show you guys what you need in order to accomplish this. Of course, I'll be using the PE 800. This will be linked down below. So I have my Gildan 50/50 cotton blend, some adhesive spray, thread, USB. For those of you who don't know, you need a USB if you're going to use a specially made design that is not built into the brother machine. I suggest that you go ahead and get yourself some designs that you purchase for yourself. Don't worry about what kind of designs you're going to get with a home embroidery machine. Okay, that's my suggestion, but you know, feel free to decide your purchases how you wish. All right, our 4x4 hoop. All right, and we're going to take our 4x4 hoop and set that there. Next thing I'm going to need is cutaway stabilizer. All right, cutaway, not tear away, cut away. All right, and then of course we're going to also need some scissors. I want to make sure you guys can see what I'm doing, because last time somebody asked me how do you not sew the shirt together or embroider the shirt together. Well, what happens is this hoop goes in between the shirt. All right, and I'll make sure that I do a little bit better job of displaying that this time. All right, if you guys ain't fast forwarding through the video. So we're going to take our stabilizer. I'm going to cut in this case. I'm going to do overkill. It's becoming a typical thing for me, but I'm going to use 2 sheets of stabilizer. Why? I just want to make sure that this comes out nice and tight and there's no puckering. Now I am going to go ahead and pull my shirt inside out. We want to make sure that we mark which side is the left chest. So this is going to be a left chest logo here. So I want it here. Yes. All right. So I'm going to pay attention to that as I flip it over. I'm going to even just ball my hand here. All right. That makes sure that I'm holding on the left chest so that I don't get confused, because your left becomes your right when you flip it inside out. All right. And the only thing I want to do at this point is go ahead and lay my stabilizer down. And in order to lay my stabilizer down, I'm going to select a good spot. All right. And I'm going to take my adhesive spray and just enough to hold that paper. Not enough to goop that needle. Okay? We don't want the needle to be struggling. All right? So there we go. Larger than life. All right? One more time. Focus more so on the outside than the center. All right? With the spray, set it down. Bam. Making a polo from the crib. All right? Now I'm going to go ahead and flip this over. That's the whole point. We just want to make sure that we hold this where it needs to be. We have that sprayed and held, and it's coming out on the left chest. Straighten that out a little bit. We want to make sure that this is pointed down, because this is going to click into the machine. All right. And we want to loosen this nice and loose. This part of the hoop you want pointed down. All right. You don't want to flip it the wrong way. So we take this, we're going to go under here and just set it there for a second. All right. Let it get comfortable. All right. Set it down. All right. So, all right. So we got that set down. All right. Now, I just want you to make sure you see that went in between the shirt. This goes on top. That's it. All right. Get it together, line it up. But that's how that goes, okay? This is probably the hardest part of embroidering, okay? It's just making sure for this home embroidery machine, you don't have a hoop master. Hoop masters are extremely expensive. You're gonna have to figure this part out. This is your hardest part, all right? Making sure this is nice and tight, all right? You don't want puckering, it's pretty tight. All right. Now, I'm coming under here, and I'm tightening the hoop. I'll let you make sure you guys can see. See that? Tightening the hoop, okay? That's all I'm doing. Now that that's nice and tight, about as tight as I can get it. All right, we're gonna take this to the machine. Let's go. So we got one stitch, and that's perfect for this machine. So we're gonna go ahead and press this down. All right, so I'm gonna hit my footer bar down, and we're gonna go ahead and start 6 minutes. Perfect for this machine, one stitch. So we got another jump cut. So you can get this from Heat Transfer Warehouse. You can get it from Amazon. I have links for both down below, but I do believe you get what's called WALABUCKS when you purchase these items with Heat Transfer Warehouse. So y'all might want to check that out. All right. There you have it. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it off and bring it to the table. Let's go. So I wound up switching shirts because it was the wrong size. Instead of the 2X, the person is a 3X. So here you go. If you got something out of the video, make sure you hit that like button. If you guys want to continue to follow the journey, y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button so you can continue to learn more cool stuff like this, and you can make this at home. I'll holler at y'all. Y'all have a good one. Peace.